Well, welcome back into the studio. This project is quickly coming to a close. So today I'm going to be working on the cover of the Lark journal. So thank you for coming along. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to transfer the lettering from the actual Lark album to the front. So I printed that out, enlarged it and printed it out, and I'm just putting some graphite on the back of this paper so that I can trace it and get that same kind of text style for the title of this journal. So it's similar to what I did for the hair on some of the Linda Lewis images, is I'm going in to create the Lark words using the blended fibers. I really liked all the texture that you get out of this medium. And so I am just filling in the word Lark with those fibers. And now I'm going to start to add my color similarly to what I had done on the inside pages. And like I did before, is I just spritz the cover down with a little bit of water just so this flows really well and I can just get a really smooth mixture of the colors blending into each other. If you are interested in hearing some of Linda Lewis's music, I will put an iCard in the upper right hand corner that will take you to a link here on YouTube showing some of her music, or you, after the video, you can go down in the description box. I'll also have a link there for you. So now you're going to see I'm going to go through several stages with the words here and what I'm doing for the coloration. I had some challenges with the fact that it was textured, and I wanted the dark to get into the texture area, but just of the words. And you'll see how I finally ended up achieving that, because I wanted it to be more like a shadow, but I wanted it on the actual letters and not on the outside edges.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings get.
Now you see here that I have taken a piece of the canvas fiber and I have created a little bird, a lark, out of that shape. And that was what was done on the front of the Lark album. It was, now unfortunately the whole part of that footage is lost. So unfortunately, I can't show you that, and I apologize. Listed below is a supply list of all the products that I've used. Some of them you'll notice have links next to them. They might be links to either my Etsy store if it's a product I carry, or possibly an affiliate link. The way affiliate links work, if you're unfamiliar with that, is I can receive a small compensation if you purchase something using one of those links. There is never any additional cost to you to use the links. It just helps me to keep art supplies on my table and thus my channel content coming.